Hi everybody, my name is Horea Porutiu. I'm a developer advocate at Miro, and in this video I want to showcase how we can use Cursor's new automations feature to improve my day-to-day life and to help me streamline some of the harder parts of my job so I can focus on the more creative ones, like creating this video. So let's do this. Click on the agents so you can see I'm logged into my enterprise Cursor account. I'm going to go into my agents tab here, and here I have a couple things that I can work on. So I can click on automation, and you can see I haven't created an automation yet, so I'm going to click on create automation, add tool or MCP server, and then I click new connection, and then you can either choose from any of these, of course, or add your own custom one. So I'll do Miro MCP server, and it's a URL, and we need the server URL, and from that we can quickly go into our MCP intro, and here is our URL, and I can just add it here, and then I can click on add MCP, and there you go. You can see it's connected. And for the trigger, I'm going to actually use something in a public Slack channel. And I'm now going to choose that every time a new message is created in this public Slack channel, then I'm going to add an instruction. So use the Miro MCP server to create a doc, diagram, and data table to analyze the question and come up with a answer on this board. So it's a really simple automation. It's more so just meant to showcase how this works. So let's go ahead and try it out. So let's go ahead and do a test run. So I'll just say, what are the main security benefits that Miro's MCP server provides over servers? All right, so here we have it. It took a little bit of time, but as you can see, Cursor was able to go ahead and analyze the question, which was comparing the security implications of using Miro's official server versus a community MCP server, and it created a document, as you can see here. It also created a nice data table with the security benefit and the security impact, which is nice. So trusted identity and offlow, that's a high security impact, and consistent governance and compliance posture is medium. Faster security patching and account ownership, also medium impact. It also created a diagram that wasn't really the most helpful in this case, but it's okay because this was a pretty simple question, so it didn't really require a super complex diagram. But what I wanted you to take from it is that you can automate some of the more not so, maybe some more of the tedious parts of your job, and this is a great platform. If you're already using Cursor, if you're already using Miro MCP, it's a great way to automate some of the more tedious parts of your job so you can focus on the more creative and fun parts of your job. Hope you found this helpful, and please make sure to like and subscribe so you can follow our latest AI videos and our latest engineering workflows videos, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.